working. They're not even frozen anymore, they're like defrosting.
But where do you get them from? Yeah, meaning you drove from here from the supermarket to here.
Yeah, but they wouldn't defrost in the 10 minutes it takes.
They would actually.
They wouldn't.
Surprisingly, the outside of food actually starts to defrost very quickly. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what else I can say apart from the fridge is working. It's definitely not warm because it's got ice in the back.
If I had a fridge at home and it was on the
but you're panicking. It's like you're telling me that the fridge is working just because there's a bit of ice that's melting in the freezer.
No,
even though when the fridge is...
there's
So is your fridge at home that warm then?
Yeah.
No, but mine doesn't gather ice at the back of the fridge because it isn't turned up that high. When a fridge gathers ice at the back of the fridge, that means it's turned up too high. You shouldn't have ice in the fridge.
So if we turn it down, it's going to overwarm us, isn't it?
My freezer's got ice in it to keep it frozen, but that means my freezer's too high now.
No, your freezer's completely different.
But
If
the
your fridge
freezer's got ice in it, it's melting.
if your fridge has got ice in the back,
Yeah,
then
but
it's
it's melting.
then it's too high.
Alright, well...
So if we turn it down, surely it's going to get warm because it's not cold as it is. Hey, you get it for a point.
Okay, we'll put it on one and we'll see all the frosting shall we?
If you put it on one, yeah.
Just because I don't want ice in the back of my fridge. Alright. He's laughing, he knows I'm right.
No, I'm not sure what else I can say
Took him
apart from it is
44
working.
minutes to come up with that.
Right, well, what if I said I'm not happy with that fridge and I want it changed?
Right, if you bear with me a second, this is actually my manager ringing me.
Come have a word.
I don't think so. Right, that'll be a fire alarm. There'll be a fire alarm. I'm at H22 now.
We've got a warm fridge.
Saying that the fridge is warm.
Please, yes.
But they're adamant that it's warm. It's turned up to 6 and the thermostat is clicking when it's at 6. So it's definitely at the temperature which 6 is set at. And it's working, but they're...
Well, why is the food not cold? Oh, it's funny, we've got sausages. And chips that have melted.
I'm
Oh,
wondering the same thing.
Melt.
Are they winding me?
I think he's used me for right.
You mean same time? It could be an actual fork, could it? It's on here. They've gone roll now.
I've got a washing up bowl anyway.
Right, okay
You see, the cooker is hot.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah,
So don't
okay.
just cook it on.
I try to sound different. Have you got a warm fridge?
Can we just buy a fridge?
Yeah, but that's sound different. I'm sure they'll let us buy theirs. I'll just give Sean a ring. We'll buy your fridge.
To me that there is the option to change the fridge to another one.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah!
I'm just the same model. I'm not 100% sure.
It'll probably be a working model. It'll be working!
You know, if it'll work.
I mean, because you've only just sort of turned up and put your food in there,
It's been on since like 4 o'clock, since we got in. That's like 3.5 hours.
Very slow warm fridge.
Slow fridge. Over 3.5.
So if I bought that from Curry's, I'll just back
Google it, it probably says it's a shit fridge on Google. We've got loads of complaints.
We've got 1 star, warm fridge.
I'll be right at this on the house, but I thought paid a lot.
Got a warm fridge.
Don't tell everyone because you don't want one. Oh yeah, can you change it?
Hey, you might cook the chips in there.
I can put it on another one.
Don't you get on the
Yeah,
fridge.
I'll try and locate another one. I'll pop
But we're going out, we are going out.
If we're not in,
Yeah, it's not a problem.
he's got a key.
Yeah.
Well, I'm just going to write a little name on it so I know who's got the key. I'm putting it on it so I know.
Right, okay.
So I don't put quite know what yet, but I'll think.
What is your name, by the way, just so we know?
My name?
Yeah.
Jason.
Jason, the warm fridge man.
It's not warm. Ice isn't warm.
Yeah, but there's meant to be ice in the freezer.
But then it's working, isn't it?
Well, no, because it's slowly defrosting.
But if you're saying that your
slowly
food...
defrosting.
Yeah, but if you're saying your food's defrosted in 3 hours, then surely that ice in the fridge would have defrosted as well.
Yeah, but that's what
But
we're saying, it
hasn't.
has been.
Because it was a thick bit of ice. A big block of ice like this.
Hence the water that's dripping out. Well, have a
Right,
Did you do chemistry at school? You know, ice melting.
No. Obviously.
Hey, but I'm doing that at the moment. Yeah, you do realise I got that all on film. I've got that all on film because I said you do chemistry at school. Oh my god, I got it all on film. He didn't even say I'm filming him going off. He didn't even say, but
This is mounted on to me. I'm sorry. He's just going.
Well, who's your friend?
He's going